Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name's Lainey. Today I just wanted to sit down and talk about fashion that I like, mostly because I just sat down and talked about summer trends that I don't want to buy, and it always feels negative and I need to balance it out. So some of these things are like wish list items that I know exactly which one I want, and other ones are just, you know, like ideas, trends. So I will link basically everything I talk about in the description box below. The first thing that I'm really liking and want to get my hands on are a pair of pointed toe sling back kitten heels. I've had these on my wish list for a really long time, and I might just be nice and link the ones I have saved on eBay because some of them are kind of expensive and I'd rather one of you buy them so I don't. But I definitely want to get these vintage, and that's why it's taken me so long to find a pair, because finding the perfect pair of vintage ones can take a really long time. Like, I go into the thrift store and I'll find some, you know, that aren't my size of course, and they'll be around like $3 to $5, and then I go on eBay and find the ones I like and they're $250. That's why I've been holding off on them, but I really like them with a pair of like jogger, you know, the parachute pants, the Peachy Den pants that I literally got. I think they'll look so cute with that, and then also, you know, like little sundresses, dressing them up. Like jeans shorts would be so cute, gingham shorts. They're just freaking cute and I want a pair. And preferably I want like a pop of color pair. I don't just want a black pair because I have just black kitten heel like sandals, and I want to pop a color shoe like baby blue. The next thing I really am liking are tie front tops. I feel like these have been trendy for so long, but they just weren't done in the way that I wanted to see them. And that's normally why I don't buy a lot of things, because I'm so picky, I always want to tweak things. The tie front tops were always like cardigans, and a cardigan never made sense to me as a tie front top because literally your whole like gut and chest is out. I wanted them like more summery. So like mesh tie front tops I'm super into. Lace tie front tops, oh my god, they can be long sleeve, they can be a tank top, and the more ruffly and girly the better for these tie front tops, like, you know, big sleeves or whatever. I love it. I love it. I love just like all the fabric hanging off of it. If you can't tell, I'm really into like texture right now. And I think it's like the perfect top for a pair of low-waisted jeans, because normally a tie front top, that's the other thing. I don't like a tie front top that's a crop top. I want my tie front top to literally hit my hips, and then you pair that with a pair of low-waisted pants, and like the top being this little X is so flattering because I don't have like, you know, an itty bitty waist and big hips, and it gives this illusion of like an hourglass frame. The next thing I want is a specific item, and that's the Circle Orson Iris tote, and I actually purchased it yesterday. I've had this list for a while and I've been thinking about it, and then I was like, you know what, I want it because I have so many tote bags, but I just don't like how big they are, because then I'll just end up throwing so many unnecessary things in there, and I don't like that my tote bags don't zip. So the Orson Iris one is so freaking cute, and you can get it embroidered. I can't tell you what I got it to say just yet, but when it comes, you guys are gonna freak out. It's so cute. The next thing is something that's been on my wish list for so long, but it's the price that gets me, and for a while they were super trendy, and that was actually when I like didn't like them, and now that people kind of hate on them, I like it. I don't know why. I like when people are like, oh my god, that's so lame, that's so last like summer, whatever. I'm like, oh my god, I want that then. If you guys are hating on it and think it's like so last summer, I want to wear it and make it look cute. I mean, it was cute literally once. Who cares if things are outdated? Because one summer ago, that's not outdated. But that is the Lamanso rings. I'm like into big, bold statement rings, and I don't wear these rings all the time anymore. I don't know what happened, but they started making me feel like claustrophobic, and I have to rip literally all my jewelry off. And I used to wear my jewelry all the time, sleep in it, everything. So that's why I never like really reached for or bought these you know, big thick acrylic rings. And now that I just put on my jewelry when I'm like filming or like getting dressed or going out or whatever, I'm like, oh my god, I'm missing like a big honker. So I really like this Lamanso ring, the clear one with the gold. I think it's so cute. I'm gonna go on like Depop and Poshmark because I bet a lot of people are selling theirs for cheaper than what they paid for. I haven't thought of that yet. Probably because I still just like don't want to spend money on it. The next thing I'm really liking isn't really a piece of clothing, but I'm just again loving all this jewelry. So I am loving like a bunch of ear piercings. Right now I have, don't look at my acne, I don't have face makeup on because it's 105 degrees outside and my room is on fire. I have these little silver and gold star earrings that my grandparents in Italy got me, a little elephant like French hoop from Italy, and then a little green butterfly one. And I'm just loving how like all this crazy jewelry looks stacked. Also, I found like my jewelry box from when I was little. My mom was holding on to it, and it has like all these little ladybug earrings and like dolphin earrings and things that I wore when I was little and then probably turned like 14, and I was like, those are lame, those are so baby. And now I'm like, I want ladybugs and dolphins in my ears. So I want to get more piercing, but I hate making an appointment. I want to walk in somewhere and I want to get my ears pierced when I feel like it. I don't want to call ahead and schedule an appointment. The next thing I'm really liking, the last two I actually have because I'm liking them, and then there's one just crazy item. The next thing I'm really liking are one pieces. I kind of have big boobs. So when I put a one piece on, I just am never like held properly. I don't feel like I can like swim, do anything, bend over or stand up or walk or literally anything. So I was like, you know what, F it, I'm gonna get a one piece, especially because I'm going camping soon and I just want to have fun in the sun camping. So I went to the thrift store, which you guys might think is gross, but I found this little one piece. Does this not look like something Frankie's Bikinis would sell? It's got this super low cut back, little boob cups in it, and it looks literally brand new. Like there's no nasty stains on it. I obviously washed it and it's totally fine, but I thought this yellow and fun print was so cute. If you guys want one pieces and ones that look like, this looks vintage, but I don't think it is. Oh, it's Cherokee. Maybe it is vintage. Okay, maybe it is. I don't know, you guys can tell me. If you want like these kind of swimsuits though, my thrift store literally had so many, and this was $3.50. I brought it home and showed my mom and she was like, oh my god, like how much did you spend? I was like, $3, and she thought I spent 40. So check out your thrift store for one pieces. Bikinis, I don't have the same luck because I like when my bikinis match, and they rarely have vintage matching bikinis. And the next thing I showed on a video, and I was like, I think I'm gonna buy those after I close this video out, and I did. It's the blue Peachy Den pants. These are what I want to wear with a pair of pointed toe kitten heels, preferably baby blue, because I literally made that outfit on like my video and I can't stop thinking about it. I can't film those videos for you guys because it makes me want to shop. Yeah, but I loved filming that video. If you haven't seen it, I styled things you guys were requesting me to style, didn't know how to style, and I used these pants in one of the outfits. They're from Peachy Den, I don't know if I already said that, and they're just perfect. I have them in the oyster color and now I have them in this color, and I think I'm done, but they are really freaking expensive. They're $170, which is just stupid. Literally been transitioning between those and the oyster one since getting them, so it's really felt worth it to me. I felt justified picking up a second pair, and they're really thin. You can get away with wearing them in the summer and definitely transitioning into the fall, maybe even the winter, I don't know, but I love them and they're so comfy. And the last thing on my wish list are things that I'm liking. I forget, what is this video? I'm sorry, I'm back for a second because I forgot one, and this, I literally have my Invisalign in. I'm in my bathroom because I already turned my fan on and I can't go back to the heat. This is kind of a summer trend prediction, and if it doesn't happen this summer, it'll happen next summer. Just seeing how things are going with shorts, and I thrifted these today. You're gonna die. Board shorts. I don't know, I like being covered, and I think these with a bikini top would be so cute. These are brown with like teal little butterflies on them. These were literally 99 cents at the thrift store, and so gonna be wearing these at the beach, the bikini top. It'll be so cute, especially if like you don't want to shave or whatever. Throw these on. These would have saved me so much in high school when I was going to the beach all the time. So yeah, board shorts. But that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to. Also, remember to subscribe or follow me on Instagram if you want to see studio updates or the full studio reveal that is coming so soon. I literally can't wait to show you guys. I think you're gonna freak out when you see the before and after. Okay, I love you guys the absolute most, and I'll see you in a few days.